In the quiet coastal village of Bull Bay, whispers of an unusual creature had long circulated among the villagers. Folks spoke of a calf, small, gentle, and seemingly harmless, that roamed the rocky shores at dusk. But beneath its innocent appearance lurked something far more mysterious. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, 12-year-old Akeem and his grandfather sat on the veranda, the ocean's waves crashing softly behind them. Suddenly, a massive shape emerged from the shadows, an enormous calf, towering twice as tall as a man, its eyes glowing with an unearthly hue. Everyone knew this creature as Diguan, a local legend, but no one truly understood what it was. Akeem's grandfather, a retired scientist with a keen interest in the paranormal, studied the creature intently. "Dis not normal calf, me son," he whispered. "Diguan is a creature from beyond, possibly a remnant of ancient Jamaican legends, or maybe a result of strange science." As the creature approached, Akeem felt a strange energy emanating from it, almost like a pulse of alien technology fused with supernatural power. The creature's size and strength defied all natural laws, yet it moved with surprising agility. Rumors told of Diguan's ability to manipulate electromagnetic fields, which explained its glowing eyes and the strange phenomena that accompanied its visits: sporadic flickers of lights, unexplained power surges, and even brief glimpses of otherworldly visions. Suddenly, the creature let out a deep, rumbling bellow that vibrated through the air, causing the ground to tremble. Instead of attacking, Diguan simply stared at the two humans, as if guarding some ancient secret. Akeem's grandfather realized that this was no monster to fear, but a guardian, perhaps created or awakened by the island's mysterious energy, a bridge between the natural and supernatural worlds. As quickly as it appeared, Diguan melted into the shadows, leaving only the echo of its presence behind. The villagers never saw it again, but the legend of the enormous, powerful calf persisted, a reminder that Jamaica's mystical history still holds secrets, waiting to be uncovered by those brave enough to seek them.